Humaran, Hazrat Usman's retainer, states that Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu sent for water for ablution and started to perform ablution. First, he washed his palms thrice, then gargled and snuffed water up through the nose, rinsed the nose, then washed his face thrice. Thereafter, washed his right hand, including his elbows, thrice. Then washed his left hand, including his elbows, thrice. Then whipped his wet hand over his head. Then washed his right foot thrice, including the ankle. Then washed the left foot thrice, including the ankle. He then said, I have performed the ablution in the same way as I have observed Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performing the ablution. After performing the ablution, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Whosoever performs ablution like mine, then performs 2-unit prayer without nursing about anything during the prayer, his all former minor sins are pardoned. Ibn Shihab said that their scholar would say, it is the perfect of ablutions performed for prayer. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 537.